Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Guffin. Tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make Ghostbusters cereal bars. These came out for the new Ghostbusters Afterlife movie. If you guys remember correctly, I did the review for the Stay Puft Marshmallows. But here is what you're going to need for this spooky recipe. 6 cups of Ghostbusters cereal separated from the marshmallows. Green food coloring, 10.5 ounces of mini Stay Puft marshmallows. You can use the regular Stay Puft marshmallows, except for it's only 10 ounces. So you should be able to get away with just a little bit less. 3 tablespoons of butter and 13 ounces of marshmallow cream. Don't you love how you could just tell that these are filmed out of sequence? First, on low heat, melt together your butter and your marshmallows. Then slowly but surely mix in your cereal. Now hurry up and spread that crap into your pan. Once cooled down, mix your green food coloring into your marshmallow cream and then slather it all over the top of your treats. Finally, sprinkle in your marshmallows and then you're ready to eat. Alright, we're back, and now for the taste test. I was hoping that you'd be able to see the red a little bit more. Very marshmallowy. It's kind of wanting to fall apart. Maybe I shouldn't have put so much marshmallow cream on them. You know, after you put cereal bars in the refrigerator for a long time, longer than what I did, they kind of stiffen up. So I have some more that I have high hopes for, that they won't be falling apart. But these are really good. You're gonna like them. You guys are gonna like these, definitely. But here we go. Go watch Ghostbusters Afterlife whenever it comes out. Get some Ghostbusters cereal. That's all I got for you guys tonight. I hope you guys think this was a great idea. Remember, do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to videotape yourself making cereal bars at nighttime, which can kind of be stressful, just have fun with it. If you're going to have to edit out a meowing cat, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a school teacher, I don't know if I've said that one yet. Just have fun with it. If you guys wouldn't mind subscribing and hitting the little bell for the notifications, that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Guffin has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a slimy thumbs up, and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.